So welcome to day one of 1000 Days of Programming Challenge, and I'm going to show you guys what I did today on day one. So I followed this video from Raw Code and made a counter program, which basically uses JavaScript to increase and decrease this number using these two buttons. And another thing that I did was I'm following this roadmap from neatcode.io, where I did this question top key elements. I did it. I finished it using Java and using Python as well. And for the machine learning, I completed a quiz in which I scored 80% out of 100. And I also downloaded the flutter. I have not run it yet, but I've just downloaded the Android Studio and flutter. And yeah, that was it for my day one progress on 1000 Days of Programming Challenge.